Namaskar. The title of the experiment is to perform and report identification test on the given sample of quinine sulfate as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. The drug is almost white crystalline powder. It may also be available in the form of white needle-like crystals. Let us check the solubility of the drug in different solvents. In order to check solubility, weigh 1 gram of drug. For this, keep a butter paper on the weighing balance, tear the weight of the butter paper and then weigh the drug. Add 1 ml of a mixture of 2 volumes of chloroform and 1 volume of ethanol. As it doesn't dissolve, add the solution further up to 10 ml. We see that the drug is freely soluble in chloroform ethanol mixture. Let us check the solubility of the drug in 95% alcohol. Take 1 gram of drug, add 1 ml of alcohol. As it doesn't dissolve, increase the volume of alcohol progressively to 10 ml, 30 ml and then 100 ml. We observe that the drug is dissolved in 100 ml of alcohol. So it is termed as sparingly soluble in alcohol. Similarly, the drug is sparingly soluble in boiling water. The drug is slightly soluble in water, means 1 gram of drug dissolves in about 1000 ml of water. The drug is very slightly soluble in chloroform, means 1 gram of drug dissolves in about 10,000 ml of chloroform. The drug is practically insoluble in ether, means 1 gram of the drug is not soluble in even 10,000 ml of ether. It will require more than that. According to IP, there are 3 identification tests to be performed. Let us see the 3 identification tests. Take 5 ml of 0.1% W by V solution of the drug. Add 2 to 3 drops of bromine solution. Now add 1 ml of dilute ammonia solution. We see that an emerald green color is produced. Take saturated solution of the drug. Add 1 drop of dilute sulfuric acid. we see a strong blue fluorescence. Take 5 ml of 1% W by V solution of the drug. Add 1 ml of silver nitrate solution. Stir. A white precipitate is produced after a short interval of time. Take this white precipitate and add dilute nitric acid to it. The white precipitate dissolves.